This video will walk you through the most important AI tools, what they do, and how you can actually maximize them in your daily life and career as a content creator. In daily life, AI works like a thoughtful assistant. You can use AI to plan a trip, write a difficult text, study a new topic, organize your schedule, or even talk through content ideas when you feel stuck. In fact, it can help you create a content video script with timelines based on just an idea. These tools help you think clearly and move forward with confidence. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, Siri, and Google Assistant help people plan their days, answer questions, organize thoughts, draft messages, and make decisions faster. For creators, writers, students, and professionals, AI is a powerful creative partner. After using the above tools to bring ideas to life, tools like Jasper Copy, AI, Writesonic, Grammarly, Quillbot, Pseudowrite, WordTune, and Writar assist with rewording scripts or content, including emails, blogs, captions, resumes, and academic work, beyond traditional writing tasks. AI can help you find the right words, improve tone, fix grammar, and structure ideas. You still bring the voice and intention. AI helps remove friction and saves time. Design no longer depends on complex software or technical expertise. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Adobe Firefly, Canva AI, Leonardo, and Remove.bg, anyone can create high-quality visuals using simple text prompts. Creators now design social media graphics, presentations, brand assets, and marketing materials faster and more beautifully, turning ideas into visuals in minutes instead of hours. Video and audio creation has become faster and more accessible. Tools like Runway, Pika Labs, CapCut AI, Synthesia, Udio, Descript, 11 Labs, Suno, and Murph allows people to generate videos, edit content, create voiceovers, clone voices, and even generate music. This is especially useful for educators, business owners, influencers, and teams creating training or marketing content. AI also helps people stay organized and focused. Tools like Notion AI, Mem, Otter, Fireflies, Tascade, Reclaim, and Crisp summarize meetings, organize notes, manage tasks, and protect focus. Workflow tools like Zapier AI, Make, N8N, and Bardeen automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, updating records, or moving data between apps. In technical spaces, AI accelerates development and decision-making by providing innovative solutions and tools that enhance efficiency and productivity. GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Replit AI, and Codium are remarkable tools that assist developers in writing and reviewing code with greater speed and accuracy. These tools leverage machine learning algorithms to suggest code snippets, detect errors, and offer solutions, allowing developers to focus on creative and complex aspects of their projects. In addition to aiding developers, enterprise tools like Google Vertex AI, Power BI Copilot, Tableau AI, Snowflake, Looker, and IBM Watson plays a crucial role in business environments. These powerful tools help businesses analyze vast amounts of data with precision, forecast future trends, and make well-informed decisions. By using advanced analytics and machine learning models, companies can uncover insights that were previously hidden, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive edge in their respective industries. In the year 2026, one of the most influential and transformative developments is the emergence of AI agents. These agents are not just limited to answering questions, they have the ability to take meaningful actions, making them incredibly versatile and powerful tools. The OpenAI Agent Kit, a groundbreaking innovation, provides both individuals and companies with the capability to create these intelligent agents. This allows for a new level of interaction and functionality that was previously unimaginable, opening up countless possibilities across various industries and aspects of daily life. AI tools are not here to replace people. They are here to support creativity, clarity, and capability. By understanding the unique functions and possibilities of each tool, you gain the freedom to focus on what matters most to you. With this knowledge, you can harness the full potential of these tools, enhancing your abilities and expanding your horizons. AI becomes most powerful when it works with you, collaborating in harmony to elevate your work to new heights. Embrace this partnership and discover how it can transform your creative process, making it more efficient and fulfilling. Take the first step today. Learn the tools. Use them wisely. Build with intention. How did this video help you in understanding the topic better? We would love to know which AI tools you are currently using in your projects or daily life. Also, which new AI tools did you learn about today that you found intriguing or useful? Feel free to comment below and share your thoughts and experiences with us. Make sure to subscribe today and stay updated. By subscribing, you will be able to hear more about the latest trends and insights in AI and other exciting topics that we cover. Don't miss out on the opportunity to expand your knowledge and engage with our community.